We have discussed several problems under this topic stoichiometry. This is the 11th video of this series. In this video we are going to discuss a different problem. Let's see the problem. According to the following chemical equation, how many molecules of ammonia are required to react with 112 grams of oxygen? According to the following chemical equation, how many molecules of ammonia are required to react with 112 grams of oxygen? Molar masses have been given: nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. If you want, you can use them. Let's see the chemical equation now. Ammonia plus O2 we get NO2 plus H2O. This chemical equation is not balanced. First of all, we have to balance this chemical equation. It will take some time for you to balance this chemical equation. For ammonia plus 7O2 we get 4NO2 plus 6H2O. You can see on the left hand side 4 nitrogen, on the right hand side 4 nitrogens, and on the left hand side 4 times 3 12 hydrogens, on the right hand side 6 times 2 12 hydrogens, and on the left hand side 7 times 2 14 oxygen, and on the right hand side 4 times 2 8 oxygen, and here 6 oxygen, altogether 14 oxygen on the right hand side. Here we have been given 112 grams of oxygen. Now we have to convert this 112 grams of oxygen to moles of oxygen. Let's convert it. 112 grams of oxygen to moles. We know in 32 grams of oxygen there is 1 mole of oxygen. That means 1 mole of oxygen weighs 32 grams. In 32 grams of oxygen there is 1 mole of oxygen. Therefore, in 112 grams of oxygen, how many moles of oxygen are there? We have to find it. We can find it in this way: 1 mole O2 divided by 32 gram O2 multiplied by 112 gram O2. 1 mole O2 divided by 32 gram O2 multiplied by 112 gram O2. We should cancel out units. Gram O2, gram O2, then we get 3.5 moles of O2. This 112 grams of oxygen means 3.5 moles of oxygen. Now let's see the ratio. To react with 4 moles of ammonia, 7 moles of oxygen are required. In the same way, to react with 7 moles of oxygen, 4 moles of ammonia are required. Ratio: to react with 7 moles of O2, 4 moles of ammonia are required. To react with 7 moles of O2, 4 moles of ammonia are required. Now we have 3.5 moles of O2. Therefore, to react with 3.5 moles of O2, how many moles of ammonia are required? You can find the answer in this way: 4 mole ammonia divided by 7 mole O2 multiplied by 3.5 mole O2. 7 mole ammonia divided by 4 mole ammonia divided by 7 mole O2 multiplied by 3.5 mole O2. We should cancel out units. Mole O2, mole O2. Now we get 2 moles of ammonia. 2 moles of ammonia. To react with 112 grams of oxygen, 2 moles of ammonia are required. But we have been asked how many molecules of ammonia are required. We have found moles of ammonia, but we have been asked how many molecules of ammonia are required to react with 112 grams of oxygen. We know 1 mole of ammonia contains 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules of ammonia. Not only ammonia, 1 mole of anything has 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 atoms, molecules of particles. This number is called Avogadro number, 6.022 times 10 raised to 23. Avogadro number. We know 1 mole of ammonia contains 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules of ammonia. Then, in 2 moles of ammonia, how many molecules of ammonia are there? We can find the answer in this way. This Avogadro number divided by 1 mole ammonia multiplied by 2 mole ammonia. Avogadro number multiplied by 1 mole ammonia. Avogadro number divided by 1 mole ammonia multiplied by 2 mole ammonia. We should cancel out units. Mole ammonia, then we get 2 times 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules of ammonia. Avogadro number multiplied by 2. Our answer. If you want, you can write the calculation in a straight line in this way. But it will take some time for you to understand this method. Study this method slowly. Then you will be able to understand this method. Using this method also you can get the same answer. 2 times 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 molecules of ammonia. If you can understand this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. God bless you.